Prestissima here. Today, we're going to talk more about key signatures. We are going to ask the question, where is do? Key signatures tell us which notes in a piece of music will be sharp, flat, or natural. At the same time, and most importantly, key signatures tell us what scale we're using or what key the piece is in. The key of the piece of music is the same as the first note of the scale. For example, the C major scale starts on C. So when we use notes from the C major scale, we are in the key of C major. The first note of a scale is called the tonic. The tonic, or the first note of the scale, on solfege is called do. The first note of a major scale can also be called scale degree 1. So, scale degree 1 is also the tonic, and it's also do. And so, it's the first degree of the scale, scale degree 1. Another example is the G major scale. The G major scale starts on G. So, when we're using the G major scale, we're in the key of G major. G is scale degree 1. G is the tonic, and G is do. Now, we also know that in the key of G, or in the G major scale, we have one sharp, and that's F sharp. Okay, one more example. Now, the F major scale starts on F. When we use the F major scale, we're in the key of F major. So F is scale degree 1, F is the tonic, and F is also do. Let's talk briefly about the placement of key signatures. Key signatures are generally placed on the staff at the beginning of a piece of music, and then they're placed on each subsequent staff throughout the piece of music. Key signatures contain one or more sharps, one or more flats, or no sharps or flats at all. In traditional music, key signatures will not contain a combination of sharps and flats. Why is that? That's because there is no major or minor scale that contains a combination of sharps and flats. Key signatures will be all sharps, all flats, or no sharps or flats at all. On the grand staff, you'll see the key signature in both the treble clef and the bass clef on both staffs. Like this. So, if we see this as, one grand staff, then up here in the treble clef, there are no sharps and flats, right? It would go all right here. Or in the bass clef, it would go right here. No sharps and flats. So if there are no sharps and flats, this is the key of C major, because the C major scale has no sharps and flats. Very good. Okay, now key signatures can change during a piece of music. When this happens, we call them key changes or modulations. For example, the excerpt below begins in the key of A major, which has 3 sharps, and then changes to the key of F major, which has 1 flat. Notice the natural signs cancel out the previous sharps, and then the flat sign is added. All right, so let's review key signatures. What do they do? Key signatures tell us what key we're in. Key signatures tell us what scale we're using. Key signatures tell us where do is. Key signatures tell us what note is the tonic, or the first note of the scale, which is scale degree 1. Key signatures tell us which notes are sharp or flat. Key signatures tell us so many things! Now, how many key signatures are there? Key signatures can contain up to 7 sharps or 7 flats, 1 for each note of the scale. So you have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Okay, so you can have as many as 7 sharps or as many as 7 flats for a key signature. Okay, so the combination of the 7 sharps and the up to 7 flats, that's 14, right? 7 plus 7. And then we have C major that has no sharps or flats. So that combination of 15 is how many major scales or key signatures we can have. So we have C major, that's 1. Then we have G major, D major, A major, E major, B major, F sharp major, and C sharp major. Those are our key signatures with all the sharps. Then we have F major, B flat major, E flat major, A flat major, D flat major, G flat major, and C flat major. Those are all our key signatures using flats. Add them all up, all the sharp key signatures, all the flat key signatures, and C major, and you get 15 major scales or key signatures. Let's use our knowledge of major scales and name some major key signatures. Here we go. So we are going to use our knowledge of major scales and name these major key signatures. Okay, I'm going to get my handy dandy pencil out and I'll have my eraser on standby. Okay, so first one, no sharps or flats. We know that one. That one's the key of C major. Okay, shall we play our C major scale? Let's try it. So no sharps or flats, starting on C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. All right, I know that one for sure. Next, we have one sharp, F sharp. Okay, we know that. When there's only one sharp, it's always F sharp. And this is the key of G major because the G major scale has one sharp, F sharp. Let's play that one. So it starts on G, and we're going to have one sharp, F sharp. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, G. Okay, next, we have two sharps, and they are always in this order, notice, okay? So when we have two sharps, it's always F sharp and C sharp. Okay, what scale has two sharps, F sharps, and C sharp? It's the D major scale. So we're in the key of D major. Let's try it. Two sharps, F sharp and C sharp, starting on D. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. Very good. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, three sharps now. So it's F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. I'm going to write those in. F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Okay, what scale has three sharps? It's the A major scale, so we're in the key of A major. All right, shall we play that scale? So remember, we have three sharps, starting on A. A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. Back down, G sharp, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, A. Okay, we did it. Next, there are four sharps. Oh my goodness. So we have F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. All right, we know this one. What key has four sharps? Okay, well, this is the E major scale, right? Okay, so this is the E major scale. So let's go ahead and play it. It's four sharps, starting on E. Here we go. E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. Back down, D sharp, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, E. Okay, good job. All right, now how about five sharps? We have F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. What major scale has all of those sharps? That's the B major scale. So we're in the key of B major. All right, remember, lots of sharps on this one. Let's start on B. I will start down here. Here we go. B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp, B. Okay, very good, friends. Now, what do we have? Oh, no sharps or flats. I think we've seen this one already, haven't we? We know that that's C major scale, key of C major. I'll play it again. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Oh, I'm glad we practiced going up and down on those. Okay, now what do we have? Oh, one flat. Okay, and that's B flat. Okay, what key are we in? B flat in the major scale of F major. So we're in the F key of F major. All right, let's do it. We have one B flat, right? F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, B flat, A, G, F. Okay, very good, everyone. All right, let's move on. The key of C major has no sharps or flats. We just did that, right? So C major, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Okay, the key of F major has one flat, which is B flat. We just did that one too, right? Let's look at it. It's F, right? With one B flat. F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, B flat, A, G, F. Okay, good. Now, the key of G major has one sharp, right? Okay, and that sharp is F sharp. Let's play it. So we have G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, G. Okay, how about the key of D major? What's the key signature? Let's see, we have two sharps, right? We have two sharps. Okay, and what are those sharps? Well, in a key signature, F sharp is always first. Okay, then we have C sharp. Shall we play that? Okay, starting on D, two sharps. So D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, oh, D. Okay, next, the key of A major has, what's the key signature for A major, friends? Three sharps. Okay, and what are those sharps? Well, key signature always starts with F sharp, C sharp, and then what's the last one? G sharp. Very good. So let's play A major with three sharps. We have A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A back down, G sharp, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, A. Oh, excellent. Okay, key of E major has, what's that key signature? We have four. What? Sharps. Very good. All right, what are the sharps? Starts F sharp, then we have C sharp, then we have G sharp, and then we have D sharp. Okay, now we know that it has all these sharps, but they have to go in this order as well, right? Okay, so let's start on E. We have E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, E. Okay, very good. Now the key of B major, well, I see a pattern here, but this is definitely five sharps. Okay, what are those sharps, my friends? All right, we've already seen F sharp. We know C sharp is next. Then we have G sharp. Then we have D sharp. Okay, what's the last sharp in the key of B major? A sharp. Okay, let's start on this B down here. Okay, so we have B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp, B. Okay, good job. Now, let's see what else we have. The key of F major has, okay, we did this one. This one doesn't have any sharps. This one has one flat. And what flat is that? That's one flat. B flat. Shall we play it? We have F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F, E, Yay! Good job, everyone! So today, we learned more about key signatures. We asked, where is do? Where is do? Do is the first note of the scale, scale degree 1. And we also call it do, or the tonic, or the key that we're in. Keep practicing all your songs, sing while you play, and memorize everything. Prestissima out!